How to buy a Henlo token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's trending #1 in the bear transaction. To be able to buy this token, click here on trade on Korea. Now click here to expand this window. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do here, as you can see, now click here to connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. We select the Bitget wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, click here to switch this. Now if you don't find the Henlo token here, click here, as you can see. Now go back to the screener and click here to copy the token address. Go back and just paste the token address here. Now click on import to be able to see your token here, as you can see, Henlo. Now from here, select the token that you want to buy, for example, Vera. Now after that, what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see, but make sure that you have enough Vera on your wallet. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Henlo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.